5, 6, 7, 8.
I love coffee, I love tea. I love the Java Jive and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Java and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. I love Java, sweet and high. Whoops, Mr. Moto, I'm a coffee pie. Shoot me a pie and I'll pour me a shot. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. Oh, slip me a slug from that wonderful mug, and I cut a rug that's snug in a jug. A slice of onion and a raw one. Raw one. Wait a percolator. I love coffee, I love tea. I love the Java Jive and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Java and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. Boston beans, soya beans. I said a little bitty green beans, cabbage and greens. You know that I'm not keen about a bean unless it is a chili, chili bean bar. I love coffee, I love tea. I love the Java Java and it love me. Coffee and tea and the Java and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup, a cup.
Ooh, slip me a slug from that wonderful mug, and I'll cover up that snug in a jug. Drop my nickel in the pot, Joe.
Taking it slow, waiter, waiter, percolator. I love coffee, I love tea. I love the Java Jive and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Java and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup.
This dance is I Love Coffee, choreographed by Roger Neff. It's a 32 count, 4 line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, walk forward, right, kick, back, 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 touch. Section 2, side, side, behind, side, step together. Section 3, right toe fan, out, in, left toe fan, out, in. Right two together, left two together. Last section, shuffle forward, left, left, step forward, hold, pivot quarter left, hold. Weights on my left and facing 9 o'clock and I start over. Now let me go over the dance for the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 4, 6, 7, hold 8. There is a 4 count tag at the end of all 7, facing 3 o'clock. Step right to side, touch, step left to side, touch. With counts 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you start the dance again, facing 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.